Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about Rational Root Theorem. What is Rational Root Theorem? Rational Root Theorem is a method that we can use in order for us to determine the possible zeros of our polynomial function. So let's have an example in using the Rational Root Theorem. For example, we're given f of x is equal to x raised to 3 minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10. We are asked to find the possible zeros of this polynomial function. So our first step is for us to find our p. What is our p? Our p is our constant, which is, in this case, it is 10, and our q. So our q will be the coefficient of our leading term. So our coefficient is 1. Okay. So after finding p and q, we will be getting the factors of our p and q separately. So our p has a factor of positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 5, and positive negative 10. So these are the factors of 10. Now let's proceed to our q. The possible factors of 1 is positive and negative 1. Now in order for us to know the possible zeros, we have to divide our p and q and list down all possible values of p over q. So let's list down all possible values. So 1 divided by 1 will be positive negative 1. 2 divided by 1 is going to be positive negative 2. 5 divided by 1 is positive negative 5. And 10 divided by 1 is positive negative 10. And if we're asked to find the possible zeros of this polynomial, we have this. So this will be our possible zeros of the polynomial function f of x. Alright, ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.